tonight. Cut it, cut it, cut it! Yeah. I see them, yeah. I see the motion, I clock the vibe. Whole thing wrong, don't ask me why. Energy off and it don't sit right. Let me step in, let me rewrite. Too much talking, it led nowhere. Too much flex for some empty air. I don't argue, I don't debate. I just draw that line, recalibrate. You run that play, I shut it down. Flatline quick when I'm in the town. No long speech, no second round. Flip one switch, now it's silence found. Yeah, kill the noise, cut the feed. Did that talk, what you need. This right here, nah, not the loud. Shut it down, damn it, shut it down. Kill the noise, clear the space. Wrong move, wrong time, wrong place. I don't ask, I don't plead. I just end what I don't need. Seen the script like 100 times. Same bad rhythm, same weak rhyme. Same loud mess with no control. Same old chaos, different role. You keep pushing, I press that brake. You keep building, I let it break. It's not random, it's just precise. Cut the cord, no roll of dice. I ain't here for the drawn out scene. I'm the cut when it go off screen. Hard stop, no fade to black. Once it's dead, it ain't coming back. Kill the noise, cut the feed. Yeah, that talk, what you need. This right here, nah, not allowed. Shut it down, damn it, shut it down. Kill the noise, clear the space. Wrong move, wrong time, wrong place. I don't ask, I don't plead. I just end what I don't need. No more words, no more tries. You crossed the line, now it dies. Hear the noise, cut the feed. Did that talk, what you need. Whole thing done, no debate now. Shut it down, damn it, shut it down. Hear the noise, clear the air. If it's wrong, it ends right there. No delay, no retreat. I decide when it's complete. Silence hit when I make that call. No chaos left, no sound at all.